AIRO Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Briefly just overlooking AIRO Group Holdings. I do see it correcting down a bit. You know, it's 30%, $30 with a 25% increase overall for the whole day. And here's the biggest thing about this, is that I was definitely looking to do this thing, you know, buy. What sort of happened is we just opened here, took it, almost took the highs out, and then sort of started consolidating. I mean, needless to say, man, if this does not show me any sort of pull down and a double break, I'm not going to be looking to buy, really. So that's where we are. All I'm doing is I'm waiting in the meantime, right? And I do have previous like one result in the analysis section. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and of course I'll continue to keep you updated. This is really like nothing else that I'll be forcing here. See you in the next one.